Long gone are the days of searching the corners of the internet for programming syntax. Today, AI-powered tools like Cursor are revolutionizing the way we learn coding. But just how far can AI take you in learning something completely new? In this video, I'm challenging myself. Can I build a to-do app in a language I never used before, only using AI prompts? No Googling. I will try to avoid any manual changes. Just me, Cursor AI, and a whole lot of curiosity. When I started learning to code back in 2007, I had a 500-page Java book. Although I have 15 years of experience in front-end and back-end development, I'd still describe myself as a designer at heart. This makes the challenge even more exciting. I have a basic understanding of common programming paradigms, data structures, web technologies, and best practices. Past year I have been mostly developing with React.js and Tailwind using Next.js. I am a better UX designer, so I will usually let a teammate do the front-end development, if there is one available. Cursor I have been using for about a year now. The rules. Make a to-do app with new programming language and framework without using Google or editing of content. I am allowed to only create files, select text, copy-paste prompts and use Command K and Command L in Cursor. For my challenge language I chose Go, as it seemed like a popular choice today. Here's some preparations I did by using Google or prompting in Cursor editor. Install Go. Install Go PLS language server. Install Go extension for Cursor. Open editor. Go big or go home. Here's a basic development setup that I will be using to build the Go app. Go. What kind of language is Go? Go is a compiled language, compiled to machine code. Okay, statically typed. That's good. Concurrency support, no surprises there. Garbage collected. Modern language.
Simplicity and efficiency. I don't know what that means. Cross-platform.
Functional features. Go is primary and imperative and procedural language.
How to declare a variable in Go. Var.
This is quite interesting, this short variable declaration.
Now I'm the guru of Go language.
To Go to-do app. Features. Add bullets. Yes, that's good. I will be using the Go toolchain and whatever this Go ecosystem actually means, and I will try to make everything visually appealing, as I like to make visually appealing things. For the basic to-do functionality, there will be at least adding and deleting of items. I think there has to be some kind of underlying status for the items as well.
Time to do some stretching and let's get going.
How to create a hello world in Go. To create a hello world program in Go, you need to follow these steps. Install Go. Create a Go file. Create a new file with Go extension, for example hello.go. Let's try this one. Create hello world in Go. Run the program. Open a terminal. Go run hello Go. Go. Copy. Go run hello Go. Go run hello Go. Go. Yes! It's the working hello world. That's very nice. Make this a web server.
Okay, fair enough.
What does this mean? No packages found for open file. It seems like you're encountering an issue with your Go environment. Check your Go environment. Go version. Looks okay, I think. Go in. I don't know what is this gibberish. Ensure Go modules are initialized. If you are using Go modules, ensure that your project is initialized with the Go mod file. You can create one by following. You can create one by running Go mod module name.
I guess we need some kind of package management or something like that.
Go mod init to go. Go. Creating new Go module to go.
Module to go. Module to go.
What does this mean? The file you are looking at is go.mod file, which is used in Golang to manage dependencies. Here's a breakdown.
Go run hello go.
Starting server at 8080. And now we have a working server saying hello world.
How about with templates and controllers?
Seems quite feasible. Import my app controllers. Package main. I have experience with different setups and configuring them, so I was able to double through this by experimenting and guessing.
Hello worlds.
Is there a hot reload? How to make hot live reload with Go. And you can use a tool like Air or Reflex. These tools watch your Go files for changes and automatically rebuild and restart your application.
Looks like the dependency is different here.
Air V.
Okay, now I have this air installed for some kind of hot or live reloading.
Air init. Air init. Air.toml file created to the current directory. Let's look at that. A lot of configurations. You can customize the air.toml air. Okay.
Here.
Minimal air toml config for hello.go.
Well, this looks more understandable. There's a root, which is this folder, and then we have some kind of temp folder. I guess it's where the binary code is outputted. cmd command go build output temp/main exclude directory.
Let's run the air command again. This command will watch for changes in your source files and automatically rebuild and restart your application. Verify live reloading. Make changes to your Go source files and save them. Air should detect these changes, rebuild the project and restart the application automatically. If your browser is not automatically updating when you make changes to the HTML files, it might be because Air is primarily designed for watching and reloading Go applications, not static files like HTML. How? Okay, so I still think I need some kind of live reload or Browsersync. I remember using those tools a few years
I'll
ago.
have to admit that I had forgotten the pain of configuring hot reload, as I am used to it working out of the box in modern front-end setups.
Browsersync connected.
Hot HTML. Yes. Now I have a quite basic setup done here, and I think I would like to start making these different routes, like the application landing page, where I will have some kind of to-do inputting or creation, and then some kind of listing for the to-do items that have been already created. So let's start working on that, and I think I will be getting some kind of web framework for this, so I don't have to do everything from scratch.
Because I don't have no idea what I'm doing.
Can you recommend a Go web framework?
I recommend using Gin.
I also need templates, so does this Gin include them? Templates. To add template rendering to your Gin-based to-do app, you can use the HTML template. What's this? Could not import. Broken import. Okay. Still a problem here. Fix this. Nothing's changed. Do I need to install this? Gin. Go bet. Go bet.
Go bet.
Yes, seems to be working now. Lots of dependencies. 404. What is this 404? To-dos. Yeah, I think it's the root. From the root, I want to return this index.html. Yes.
That's nice.
Let's add some styling for this application, because it looks horrible at the moment. I need tailwind, at least for the CSS. Yes, that's good. Make a header with tailwind classes.
Still not understanding me. I want only two links, items and info.
Okay, this is correct. Say wrap in header. And also we are missing a logo, so let's add a logo here. Create a nice SVG logo. Maybe appear. Well, not quite a pair, but at least something close to it. And now I want this to be aligned with Flexbox, so let's say something like this. Use Flexbox row distribute evenly.
As you can see, I really love making headers.
Okay, that's perfect from my perspective. And on this items page, we want to list all the items and then also create this simple creation of the items. And I want to make this list in a way that I can change the contents by adding and removing the items, and preferably so that they will be all saved into a database also. There's actually an endpoint already for the to-dos, so I think we could be using this. Let's see if I copy paste this. Ask in the template that can you create like a form to create these to-do items here. Create an HTML form to use this endpoint. Quite a lot of JavaScript. I will say that can you do it without JavaScript? Because that's not the language that we want to learn now. Go.
Yes, there's a form action, to-dos, and a posting of the form, some inputs, even the status, and a button with a submit. This looks quite good.
And yes, now we have a basic form with title. I can write anything here. Status.
Moment of truth. Does this work?
Custom item. Not started. Add to do.
The page is not working.
Okay, something's still wrong here. But what is the problem? Let's see the network tab.
Pressure log, add to do. To-dos failed. Localhost to-dos. And request.
Why is this not working? Bind JSON. Should bind.
Checks the method and content type to select binding automatically. Let's try that one.
Add item. Aha. Something happened, but I don't know what's that thing. Add item. Okay, now we have some kind of empty items here. Does this form structure match this data structure? Why the titles and statuses are not being printed?
Create a similar struct-based object and ins and append to to-do list of items. Add title and status.
Yes.
Bananas.
And restart it. All of the to-do items are now gone.
And this is not what I want. I want to change the hard-coded example values to nothing and keep the ones that I will be saving as the ones that we will always have on the UI available, even if we close the application. So we need some kind of persistence there.
First thing we want to do is remove these samples.
Yes.
I wonder if I can save this somehow.
To save items in a small database in Go, you can use SQLite, which is a lightweight file-based database.
Okay, install the SQLite package. Let's do that.
Initialize the database. You need to create a database file and a table to store your to-do items. Yes, that's true. Here's how you can modify your existing code and save and retrieve to-do items from an SQLite database. I think we can use this code like this. Let's try it and see how the application is changing.
Bananas in database.
Is there a database somewhere? How can I read? Tools.db. SQLite.
How to open on Mac M1.
Mac with an M1 chip comes with SQLite.
SQLite. 3. Tools.db.
SQLite.
Select all. Select all from tools. Okay.
There's some bananas in database. Bananas in
Database.
But it's not displayed on the UI.
Does this work with this? Show the to-do items on database.
Yes. Now we have a database connection.
Does this saving still work? Pears, apples, and kiwis. Not started. Add to do. Yes. Now we have a basic setup done.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
What I want to do is do some styling for these list items, because I think they just look very disgusting. One feature that we are missing is the removal of the items.
And now we want to send this request to the backend also. Do we have any removal endpoint? I don't think so. Let's say add a removal endpoint based on ID. It is a forum post.
The day had changed to Friday already, so I decided to wrap it
You
up.
can use this endpoint wrap in forum post and use this endpoint.
The moment of truth. Yes, it's working.
Let's see our database. If I remove this number 3, we should only have this number 2 on the database. Select star from to-dos. And number 2, pears, apples and kiwis not started is there.
I'm quite satisfied now.
Here's the final to-do app. Cursor AI did well overall. It understood most of the prompts, but there were a few moments where it didn't quite hit the mark. Compared to traditional learning, this method was faster and more interactive, but it still has its limits. Would I recommend starting this way? No. I would suggest reading at least the principles of the programming language before even trying to prompt it. I had no idea on some of the syntax I was using, so I just had to prompt again and again. If you're ready to try something new, challenge yourself with AI-assisted learning. What should I build next? Let me know in the comments.